Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, guys. So today, guys, we're in a abandoned community. It's called Brooksland or Corial. I'm not sure what's the name because some people say it name Brooksland, some persons saying it's Corial. However, on the map I'm seeing Corial Main Road, Brooksland. Alright, so this community, I'm not sure when this community got abandoned or why it was abandoned or anything like that, but I'm seeing where there are lots and lots of abandoned houses here. Alright, so with no further ado, we're jumping out. We'll see if we can find nobody to tell really why, what happened, make the people move out of the community and all of that. Alright, yeah man, so that we do.
You know the truth, you know?
You have no idea why the community empty still, why people move out of the community?
Eh?
You have no idea why people move out of the community?
No, but this community, you know, this community was in Glassy Mountain.
Okay.
And the whole of people they move on Glassy Mountain come back out on the front. And Glassy Mountain ghost town that you want to man live on Glassy Mountain now.
And this community of Corial or Brooksland,
Corial, no.
why they move?
I don't know why. But
Lack of water, lack of electricity?
I wouldn't say lack of electricity because electricity goes straight back.
As a matter of fact, I just see them just disconnect the wire them with you, so I couldn't that.
No.
JPS just start disconnect and about no day again. It will be a waste of time to really have the light wire and see them.
Years. Years. But people that was living there and people take time. I notice people take time, leave from the community. And go further down from Top Hill, go live. And then we have to retreat. You understand?
Okay. Come see a
but
lot
I
of...
believe that a time will come, you know. They are going to take time, move back in the hills.
True.
Because they are in the sea zone where when you get out of hand, it's going to take back.
Why persons not try to live like on a hill or on the rocky side? Them try to live near to the river and a riverbed or near the sea.
Yeah, and I say we have changed the time now, change the climate.
Climate change.
Yeah, we are get more than the water had and the water originally get rainfall.
True.
You understand me? So
the whole geography has changed. You know?
So people going to take back the hills.
True.
You understand me? Yeah, man.
I think there are a specific reason why people move out still. Like something. Or maybe too much people move out and the rest of them just decide them not stay.
To get lonely.
Yeah. Because I don't see where it would be like a road or like a water. Because I see water around. They have only a little spring all about the place.
Yeah.
Plus
water. Only about spring about the place. And the pipe run here, sir.
The pipe run?
Yeah, the pipe run here, but water not really coming out.
Water not coming out. That could be an issue still, you know.
And water could usually come from that side. And those people usually get water and they still move.
Okay.
No, man, maybe can't today have some people say they want to go live up in a aristocracy, more era and sit there. When they find out the truth or what,
they want to come back home.
Sooner or later, they want to come back. Me live here for years for me a little boy. And I don't see the difference.
You don't see the difference. You're more comfortable in the home.
Come back here now and start to build up my place and set it on me and I want to stay there.
And that's how you feel comfortable.
Fresh here when I'm getting here now. You can't get it out there.
Alright.
And when me tell you, I live in a town, you know, right in the center of the town.
Town can't nice because too much exhaust and too much noise and you have nice pollution. You know? You can pick your fruits, you can plant your thing and everything, yo.
Yeah.
You know?
Yes, you come here and say, you raise 1 and 2 goats and animal and everything.
So you raise animal and everything there?
Yes, man.
Okay. True.
Yeah, man, we have to give thanks, man.
More comfortable in the year.
More comfortable in the year. You only want to drive.
Only that.
You have a drive a little there so you can move, yeah.
Only that, because you see a taxi issue kind of there.
Yeah.
Because a 2 taxi, me see.
Yes, but
you know?
See, I don't really complain out of the amount of people to supply the amount of taxi.
Oh, not a lot.
Work either car. Enough people left out of this community that do it.
True. Yeah, all the MTO still there in other community.
People take time and come back and realize.
For real.
You understand?
For real. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You know?
So, I found it. I look for all of them.
When if a man attack you, a machete you don't attack him with?
Yeah, sure, man. We have about 4 machines.
But you couldn't find one sharp machine to make it work.
No, the right machine, I use that the machine, and I want to machine to put up. I want to look and see the right machine, so I just step up one.
Man, catch.
Yeah, man, catch.
Those are the electrical wire, guys. You know, the wire them still there. I'm not sure if them fully disabled yet, but yeah. And that's our first house over there. Somebody still live there, so still no, but I think that are the last resident, because this is where the community start. That man house there at the end of the community will just start to, and this is where the community actually, you know, so I think this are the last. Like I said, this will be the last house if somebody live, no? This are the last house if somebody live. Because that man up there to the right at the border, you wouldn't count him in night, no?
No.
So this are the first house, but the last one is somebody live. It's a Livingston.
Yeah, Livingston.
Okay.
The last house. I would have the first house.
You know, the community, but the last house where somebody live.
Yeah.
Now we are in this community. I'm not sure if the name is Brooksland or Corial. I'm sure we're on the Corial main road. There's a debate as to what the name is. So if somebody can help me, let me know. But this community, guys, is abandoned. We're not sure the reason why this community was abandoned. But hopefully by we reach the end of the community, we're supposed to can get an idea as to why. Maybe we can see somebody to talk to. Now, there are lots of houses in this community. And yeah, it seems like everybody just... To the way the house them look, it don't look like them abandoned one by one, because some of them look like you can just strap out the yard and go live in there. You understand? So, not sure the reason why this community was left abandoned. But anyway, follow me. Where the community your name? A Brooksland. Same thing. We're on Corial main road. Same thing. Oh.
So right now, we go to the Brooksland.
Okay.
Named Derek from Bangarage, Portland.
Okay.
Big up to all of my subscribers them out of Bangarage, especially Auntie Vern and Toady. This man is a native Bangarage man, left Portland for a long time. How long you left Portland now?
I'm a old man, you know. Kenneth Walker.
Kenneth Walker,
Yeah.
for Bangarage.
Yeah.
Shout out to Antoinette from Bangarage, you know, man.
Any Walker up a
Any
Bangarage?
Walker up there. I'm a relative.
Are you relative there?
Yeah, man.
So
Okay.
how old you left Bangarage come?
I'm an old man.
Are you old man?
Yes, I am a band.
Are you your band?
Old man,
You
yeah.
old man born a Bangarage?
Yeah, Kenneth Walker.
Oh. So big up to
Okay.
all the Walker family members for Bangarage.
What you know about the community here, though? What, you know the reason why people move out of the community here?
Because it's slow.
Slow. I know because of water, light, or nothing like that.
You can't have a water without a bad road.
Okay. True.
You can't survive a water because we are still surviving now.
Yeah man, water no problem.
And the
man.
water no problem.
Water no
Not
problem.
big
And light no problem either.
Because the light on us up.
Yeah, light no problem.
But on the road, as you see.
Okay. So that's the reason why they move out.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found.
Yeah, guys, so the fella said that it's because of roads, but you know, I really think it's deeper than roads, because you actually still can drive on this. If persons had lived around here and driving on this road, it wouldn't be like this. So I think it's deeper than roads. And as we know, 80% of workers abandon communities in the countryside. It's because of the brain drain for going to Jamaica. Persons either move into Kingston or to faster parishes, or they move abroad out of these isolated communities. You know, there are communities where we see where it's because of roads, as in Jonespen, where them literally never have no road. You know, there are places because of water, there are places because of electricity. However, with the location of this community and the communities that are close by in vicinity, I'm not sure I'm really buying that one, that it's actually the roads. You know, I think it's deeper than that. Anyway, guys, we're up on way. I'll show you some of the house them. Yeah, man. And guess what? I found an unknown slavery building. The other day when I come back, I saw a building, but because the night did come, I couldn't get to film. And that not the on the map. So I showed you that, guys, and then we do the research and see if we can find out exactly what was the name of that property, or would it own that, or would it live there. Alright? Yeah, man. It's literally sawing at the bush them stay, you know. Sawing at the bush them stay, guys. So we literally have to keep our eyes peeled for buildings and structures. Is something over there, sir? And what's it there?
Yeah.
Why, it's concrete or not? Yeah, guys, this is a house spot. We literally can see, so this is a house spot. An old house spot. But we now see the house still. Oh man, putting that so far. Yeah, guys, so it's not electricity, and can see why them there no peeps. Electricity there, and it's not roads as far as you see. So I could dig deeper. I could go deeper into the community, see if we can see nobody else to talk to, or if we can get no more clues as to what could have caused all these people to move out of this community. And guys, please let me know if this community is Brooksland or Corial or both. Let me know in the comment section down below. Alright, guys, so this is the road we're going down on at the moment. Yeah, man. All bushed around. That's the other side of the road.
So this is one of the abandoned house building.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
We go over there. Oh, over here, so we stop. The other there?
Yeah, probably.
I'm gonna say it look like one slavery building.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, so that's one of the houses over there. Over there, so abandoned concrete structure. Yeah, guys. And here's the other one, which I was not sure about, but when they come over here, I saw a bike park there. So I said I'm not really go near the building because I don't want to go near nobody motorcycle. So this is all the guys. Now see the design on this, peeps. This could have been from an era way back then. I'm not gonna be we've got blocks around here. We've got blocks around here. So it's just a design that's on the wall right there. Yeah, guys, so this is our second abandoned building, going all the way back there. They seem like it is really nice too.
Yeah, the McDowell them.
McDowell's?
Yeah, man, the McDowell them from Barking Lodge of them places.
Okay, the McDowell's from Barking Lodge. Alright. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, and that's the other one over there, guys. So we're moving on. Guys, as we are saying, can I say some part of the road still good? We can't see the road make them move out. Can't be a situation where the road and no light. The electricity was always around here. What that not the bush? There's a bit. Yeah, guys, so this is the condition of the road. If persons were driving on this road the very same, it wouldn't look like this. So I'm not think the road is the problem. Alright, we're looking for more houses, guys, so follow me. That's another house up there, guys. Yeah, our third abandoned house. No, there is no possible way I'm gonna get to go up here, guys. I just can show you that house like this. Yeah, you know who that one that it belong to? I think you tell me in one of the further video, in the last video.
That's where we're
Mr. Fairweather?
Miss Lynn.
Okay.
She was a teacher, you know?
Okay, okay.
I know, so probably Miss Lynn used to teach her
Wilmington.
School. Wilmington.
Okay.
I think she was a teacher for Wilmington. Yeah.
That's a better angle of the house there, guys. Alright, yeah man. So moving on. Okay, so as I said, I have one building for showing what I think they here before slavery, you know. Yeah man. So just bear with me. I think I'm gonna show y'all the houses first and then we move to that pre-colonial building. Alright? Yeah man. So this is another house spot right up here, but there is no house to be seen. You know, but my uncle kinda know the place when he was a child. So he has an idea where the houses were. But there's no house up there, just a spot right now. You know, persons move out from maybe in the 80s or 70s. What that though? Yeah guys, so we're almost at the end of the community and it seems not a lot of people. Real Kenneth, it don't look like a whole lot of people that live here. Not a lot of people living in the community, so we don't see a lot of houses, but we can see a lot of spots where houses were. And we're heading around to the last house in the community now. This are the last house, I would have said the last older house from back then. Because the other houses up in the community there are houses that were built like, what, in the 80s or 70s, no? Yeah man. Yeah man. What I call them modern houses. That's the front of the community leading into Pilot. So that's where we're heading right now. And then when we go up there, so after that, I'm going to show you guys the pre-colonial building. That's a piece of slavery structure. Now, I think we did make one mistake the other day when we go around at the Johnstone on the road. Also, we got Johnstone. I think I made a mistake and went on the wrong road. I think two buildings that we're looking for is actually on this road or just pass up the road. So I'm going to show you that, guys, when we're finished. So I'll follow away. Yeah, guys, so we're at the end of the community. That's the last building. Not the last house, but the last building in the community. The church. Yeah, man, that's the graveyard right there. Small church. I'll go inside. Take a look.
Is it like a church in the community, you know?
Yeah, like this was a church in the community. Turn on woodwork shop now. It's at the pulpit.
They look like,
Yeah, guys, the community church. Yeah, guys, so this community seems to have been really abandoned. And seems to have been abandoned a long time ago. No, most of the houses we're not seeing, and the one we see, we really can't get close to them. Now, I promised you guys that I was going to show you a piece of a slavery structure. However, going down the road, I asked questions about that structure in question, and the person actually told me that it was a building which was built in sometime in the 70s or 80s, or they moved out in that time. He knew the person that was living there, and I asked, did he build that house? He said yes, it was built by the person. So most likely, it's not a slavery house. And no, remain true to our task, to our name per se. I'm not going to tell him to say it's a slavery building and it's not a slavery building. However, I'm going to show you guys because trust me, it's a fascinating piece of construction. The stone wall them look really old, so it started to trick me. Alright, so we're coming up onto that and I'm going to show you that, guys. Bear with me. That's another structure up there. Didn't get a chance to film that one while going around. However, you know what I'm hearing in the background, guys? Me hear rain in the background, and you hear that? So we in the bush and we get caught in a rain, like seriously get caught in a rain, you know. So I don't know. Just hope a breeze. Guys, you see that? A rain in the morning. So this is where we reach. That's a grave up there with him say one grave and one angel upon it up there. So I think I'll go up there and show you that, guys. I'm gonna think I have to go up there. Yeah, guys, that's a grave up there. And I'm gonna show you guys the structure. I'm going to say I'm feeling sick. You know, I'm showing the structure now, guys. That's inside of these bushes. Yeah, man. Somewhere in here. So, I want to picture your next day. Somewhere. Yeah, guys. So this is the old structure, guys. You see it, Bill? Like a old slavery structure. But them saw somebody living so, but this not look like, guys. Kenneth! Yeah, it's a slavery building this, bro. Somebody build back on it. Cause the blocks up at the top, guys. But down the bottom you can see. To me, you know, so this look modern for real. This is a modern stone wall. Modern stone wall. Yeah, guys. It's a modern stone wall. But this was the building I was telling you about, guys. The structure. Alright? Yeah, man. No, Kenneth. I know. I know. Yeah, man. It's good. Problems come out of the bush. Are you? Yeah, guys. Rain come out down now. See that? Look at time go up now the bush rain fall. The bush this way now. So I try head out quick. Yeah? Oh, you there? Oh, yeah, shelter. Peeps look okay there. You ready? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, ready. Hear that? Yesterday, we get lost. Today, rain come down on a whole way. And this phone is not waterproof. However, I'm going to film it. It not really fall hard. You hear that? Touch that now, guys. Guys, right now we're in a problem. We're in a deep bush. We're in a fall. You know, my uncle sick, my uncle have hernia. I'm going to pain up. So I'm going to go up there still now. We're in a kind of fall. Cover the phone. Yeah, guys. Now I really fall every night, kind of ease up. Guys, today the kind of disappointing. The journey nice and everything. Rain come down, wet way up, when I really soak still, but yeah. And then my uncle kind of get sick, you know, so really kind of disappointing there. No complaints still. Yeah, man, thank you all for watching. It's been a pleasure having you here. Alright, next video I come, I will certainly be better than this. Next video will be, I think, I'm not promising you guys, but the next video should be in Staunton or in Sunnyhill. Alright? Yeah, man. Look out for that.